So, Ploy, what do you like in a guy?
Oh, me? I like I hope you enjoy it. Yummy, yummy.อร่อยมากๆเลย
What's your favorite food?
Oh, I like pork noodle.
Pork noodle.
Yes,
Really?
very nice.
Spicy? Yeah. Head
Of
mark.
course. เผ็ดมากๆ เผ็ดมากๆ spicy.
Can I have some?
Yes,
Leave some for me.
I eat for you.
You eat everything.
Of course.
The straw go up your nose. That's not good. That's not where it goes. So, what's your favorite movie? Or your favorite English movie?
I like Harry Potter.
Harry Potter?
English lesson.
What countries would you like to visit in the future?
I want to go Japan and Bali. Tokyo, Bababa, Chinese,
What's ba ba ba?
Bababa, but because I talk English lesson, I tell Bababa.
Well, thanks for answering those questions. Yeah, what do you want to do now?
I want to go bowling.
Bowling?
Yes.
Okay. So what are you getting? Popcorn?
Yes.
But you're not watching a movie. Why don't you get
No,
popcorn?
I get popcorn only. I want to eat
You get popcorn, but you don't
and
watch a movie.
go. No, I want to go bowling, but I want buy popcorn first.
Okay, I'll get the popcorn. What size do you want?
Big, big.
Big, big.
Yes, please.
So, Claudia, you really like popcorn, right?
Yes, I like popcorn.
Oh my god! Oh no! Oh, there's not going to be enough popcorn now. Oh, what's wrong?
Today have competition.
Competition.
Cannot pay ว่า
No.
sad มี sad I buy popcorn big big for bowling.
Who buys popcorn for bowling? Boy, what are you getting?
กุ้งเต้น dancing dancing ค่ะ
Dancing. Dancing shrimp?
dancing yes Karaoke.
Oh, singing. You want to go to karaoke after this?
I think first.
What's next? What song?
I don't know.
Barbie girl.
Oh.
Boy Barbie. Like it's alright. Come on Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. So much fun! You're Barbie. So, Ploy, what do you like in a guy?
Oh, me? I like man, tall, and any good heart and work hard. Say me can work me everything, can start with me everything can work together, but good good heart, nice.
heart.
Yes, can funny, relax, blah blah blah.